Hello guys, welcome back. Thank you for joining me. This is Onyx Food Hill. I'm so glad to have you back again. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make ginger powder with these fresh ginger roots. Before you start making your ginger powder, you need to peel your ginger. However, some people make their ginger powder without peeling the skin, but that's still okay. If you want to make it with the skin, you can still go ahead. If you want to peel it like I did, you can just simply peel your ginger using a spoon. I'll put up a video showing you how to peel your ginger easily. So this is the ginger I'm using. They're already clean. What I'm going to do is to reduce the sizes of the ginger. Before turning your ginger into powder, it is important to reduce the sizes into smaller chunks so they dry easily or they dry fast. So you can either use the grater to simply grate the ginger first. Okay, so you can reduce it to these smaller sizes first, because once you reduce it to this, the ginger dries quickly. So if you don't want to use the grater to achieve this, you can as well bring your ginger into your blender. If your blender is not that powerful, you can just reduce the ginger into medium sizes first before adding it to blend. We're just going to roughly blend this for a while. You can choose to add a little ginger to the blender at a time and blend. Okay, my blender is numbered 1 to 3, so I use the number 1 key to simply pulse this. So this is the texture I have. You don't really need to blend this into a smooth paste. The essence is to make it dry fast. So with this, I'm okay. So I'm done blending this. I'm going to spread this out on a tray. You can just use your hands to spread this. Just make sure everything is evenly spread out. Okay, you can use your oven or dehydrator to dry this. The weather is very hot, so I'm going to sun dry this. It's going to take about 2 days for this to dry. Okay guys, this is after a day of drying this. It's almost dried, so I'm going to leave it for 1 more day until it dries completely. The sun is very hot, so it's the best time to dry this under the sun. Okay, I'm bringing the dried ginger into the blender. The amount of ginger powder you get at the end of the day depends on the size of ginger roots you used for this. Okay, so this is the fine texture we've got. If you're blending this, you can use a nose mask because the scent is very sharp. It can make you cough or sneeze. If you want to get a very fine, smooth powder, it's best you sieve it to get that. So I noticed this little fiber in here. Let's just strain it right away. This is the fiber I was talking about. Okay, I'm going to discard this, and we have this smooth ginger powder right here. Okay. So guys, your dried ginger powder is ready. You can use this in your marinade or to prepare any of your baked dishes. I usually add this to some of my sauces or stew. Just go creative with your ginger powder. And this is how to make ginger powder at home. Thank you guys for watching. If you love this video, give me a thumbs up, leave your comments, and also remember to subscribe to Onyx Food Hill. Thank you for stopping by. Bye.